Welcome to Luxury Wheels and Mansion. If you love stylish home decor, luxury aesthetics, and creative DIY transformations, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn your home into a luxurious paradise, without spending a fortune. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious house, these ideas will help you upgrade your space with elegance and style. So, grab your notepad because this video is packed with easy, budget-friendly, yet high-end decor ideas that will make your home look like a celebrity mansion. Stay till the end for a special decor hack that will blow your mind. Elegant living room makeover. A. Wall enhancements, make your space look expensive. White heavy checkmark accent walls, use peel and stick wallpapers or DIY painted patterns to add depth. White heavy checkmark luxury paint shades, use neutral colors like beige, soft gray, or deep navy for a classy touch. White heavy checkmark wall molding and paneling, install faux wall trims to give a sophisticated, built-in look. B. Furniture hacks, upgrade without buying new. White heavy checkmark DIY coffee table, use an old table and coat it with marble adhesive paper. White heavy checkmark reupholster chairs and sofas, change fabric covers for a fresh, high-end look. White heavy checkmark layered rugs, layer different textures, jute plus faux fur, to create a cozy and expensive feel. C. Lighting, the secret to luxury. White heavy checkmark chandeliers and pendant lights, use gold, glass, or crystal finish lights for elegance. White heavy checkmark warm LED lights, add soft, ambient lighting with smart LED strips under furniture. Keycap 2-bedroom transformation. A. Luxe bedding and pillows. White heavy checkmark use hotel-style bedding, crisp white sheets, layered comforters, and textured pillows. White heavy checkmark choose velvet or silk pillowcases for a royal touch. B. Statement headboard DIY. White heavy checkmark make your own fabric padded headboard using foam, plywood, and velvet fabric. C. Small decor details that matter. White heavy checkmark use gold or black framed artwork for a gallery wall. White heavy checkmark add floating shelves with books, candles, and small sculptures. Keycap 3 kitchen and dining area glam up. A. Elegant countertops, budget hacks. White heavy checkmark use peel and stick marble adhesive for countertops. White heavy checkmark add gold/brass handles to cabinets for a luxury touch. B. Statement dining setup. White heavy checkmark use table runners, elegant plates, and gold cutlery to make everyday meals look fancy. White heavy checkmark place candles and fresh flowers on the table for a sophisticated ambience. Keycap 4 small bathroom, big makeover. A. Chic storage solutions. White heavy checkmark use floating shelves to store toiletries neatly. White heavy checkmark swap plastic containers for glass jars to store essentials like cotton pads and bath salts. B. Spa-like vibes. White heavy checkmark add aromatherapy candles and a small indoor plant for a relaxing atmosphere. White heavy checkmark hang elegant mirrors with gold or black frames to make the space look bigger. Keycap 5 outdoor and balcony luxury look, 700 words. A. Greenery and lounge setup. White heavy checkmark place potted plants and fairy lights for a cozy vibe. White heavy checkmark use floor cushions and a small coffee table to create an inviting outdoor lounge. B. DIY vertical garden. White heavy checkmark install a wooden pallet wall and hang small potted plants for a lush, modern feel. High-end wall makeover hacks. White heavy checkmark use large-scale art, instead of multiple small frames, use one oversized art piece to create a gallery-style look. You can DIY it using canvas and acrylic paints. White heavy checkmark DIY wall molding, install peel and stick molding to create a Parisian-inspired luxury aesthetic. White heavy checkmark mirrored walls, place large mirrors on walls to reflect light and make spaces feel grand. Smart lighting for a luxe ambience. White heavy checkmark layered lighting, use pendant lights, LED strip lights under furniture, and table lamps for a soft glow. White heavy checkmark dimmable chandeliers. Install budget-friendly chandeliers with dimmable bulbs to change the mood instantly. White heavy checkmark gold and warm white LED bulbs. Avoid blue-tinted lights. Warm lighting gives a rich, cozy feel. Textiles and fabrics. Instant elegance. White heavy checkmark layered curtains. Use sheer curtains behind heavier drapes for a luxurious hotel-like feel. White heavy checkmark throw pillows and faux fur blankets. Mix textures like velvet, silk, and faux fur for a premium look. White heavy checkmark upgrade bedding. Use white sheets with high thread count and add a bed runner for a luxury hotel vibe. Gold and metallic accents for instant luxury. White heavy checkmark spray paint DIY. Upgrade old furniture handles, vases, and frames with gold spray paint. White heavy checkmark mix gold with neutrals. Too much gold can be overwhelming, so balance it with beige, gray, or black. White heavy checkmark use mirrored or glass surfaces. Coffee tables or trays with a mirrored finish add an elegant touch. Signature scent, the ultimate luxury hack. White heavy checkmark essential oil diffusers. Choose high-end scents like sandalwood, vanilla, or jasmine. White heavy checkmark scented candles in elegant holders. Place them in entryways and bathrooms. White heavy checkmark DIY linen spray. Mix water with essential oils and spray on curtains and bedding for a fresh, luxe feel. Luxe storage and organization. White heavy checkmark use decorative trays. Arrange perfumes, skincare, or accessories on a mirrored tray. White heavy checkmark glass jars instead of plastic. Store pantry and bathroom essentials in glass jars with gold lids. White heavy checkmark matching hangers in closets. Ditch plastic hangers for wooden or velvet ones to make closets look neater. Which decor idea do you love most? Comment below. Include a bonus tip at the end to encourage full watch time. Display a subscribe and like animation with stylish, minimal graphics. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Wheels and Mansion for more amazing home decor ideas.